from the Tri-State's only high-def station. This is Good Morning Tri-State.
In high definition.
Many parents work for years and years to build up a life savings, money they hope to leave to their children. But did you know they may have to end up spending most of their money on long-term care before being eligible for Medicaid? Financial expert Bill Hesch is here with some solutions. Good morning, welcome back.
Good morning, Janelle. It's great to be here again.
Well, you know, a lot of times people in a year can spend $50,000 to $70,000 a year just on the nursing home care. So they'll have to tap into some of their own money?
It is. It's a major problem that the elderly are facing currently. The long-term care costs are significant. They're living longer. And it's really like Medicaid steps in when really you're broke. And the government's defined that, that if you're just one person, you have to spend your money down to $1,500.
Wow.
If you have a married couple and just one of your partners goes into the nursing home, you have to spend down to $100,000, everything you've got, down to $100,000 before that person can qualify for Medicaid.
Well, let's start looking at some solutions here. Let's start off with transfer assets. Explain that to us.
Well, this is the thing that advanced planning is so important. Last year in February, the Congress changed the rules that said that you can transfer money to your family, but if you transfer it within 5 years of the person needing to qualify for Medicaid, then that asset counts and you can't qualify. So when you talk about transfers, then it really requires some advanced planning.
Okay.
One of the big things that the clients are doing now is you look at a trust, that the parents can transfer money to the trust to their children in advance so that 5 years later they may qualify for Medicaid.
And you also say, too, divide the assets. How would you go about dividing that? Is that among the children?
Well, that's important, too, because in estate planning, most parents are trying to treat their children equally. And when you have this 5-year rule in place, sometimes you have someone that's really terminal, and if husband or wife dies and everything goes to the spouse who has Alzheimer's, everything may be used up with the surviving spouse. So sometimes we change the estate plan so that the first person to die really gives the property to their children instead of the spouse. And that's a short-term solution when you have a difficult situation.
And long-term care insurance, we should look at that as well.
Absolutely. The government has just changed the law here recently, and Ohio just passed the law adopting the federal law that says that if you have long-term care insurance, then to the extent of that insurance, that the Ohio will not come back against the estate and require an estate recovery. So that the government is now encouraging families to look at long-term care insurance as a solution to that long-term problem.
Okay, and Bill, I know you also suggest, too, transferring the home to children. Other things that people can find out more information from. You're encouraged to check Bill's website out for more information on protecting your parents' estate from the high cost of nursing home care. Just go to our website, Wcpo.com, click on 9 links, and we'll send you to William Hesch's website. Thank you so much, Bill.
Great.
We appreciate it.
Thank you, Janelle.